Hi guys. Today let me speak about the uh, the pain that we'll have if we don't take action right now, right at the moment, whatever is there looking at us. We need to understand the the problem we are heading towards. In case we miss the moment right now, this is the moment when some opportunity is knocking at our door, and this may not be there for all the time. It may disappear uh, quickly. So what are the pain? Say all entire your career you have been struggling with your work routine, work schedule. You have struggled with your team, with deadlines, and you have skill yourself. You have improved a lot. You have contributed a lot, and still you are at a plateau, not achieving, not going anywhere. So what to do at those moments if your career is not taking off as you have liked? So those pain moments, like say, and then comes your dream. What has happened to your dream? You whatever you thought of at the beginning of your career, does it still hold, or it has improved? It may have improved, but whether your life path is going in the similar direction is a question mark. So what to do at those moments? That is the answer you have right now to take the right kind of decision. And uh, um, and I was reading Steve Jobs. He was telling, if death is looking at you, you won't trouble yourself with the risks, the ultimate, what will happen, what will not happen, what you will achieve, and what you will just straight jump into that kind of decision, whatever you think to be right for the moment. So, what is that? That decision. If it is there in front of you and you are working at it, great, nothing like it. And if you are still hesitating to take that leap, then please reconsider and take that leap at the moment. Just put aside your hesitation. If it concerns your time, your proactiveness, and everything, you need to bring all that uh, into the right into this moment. So that is what. And the greatest risk of failure happens there only, no? The when you postpone your decision to a future moment, and when you can't bring your time, your can't allocate your time properly for that extra a little bit of effort that is required right now. So these are the three things that you need to be looking yourself at, evaluating yourself about, and take a decision. Make the decision and then make the decision. Right? Thank you.